How to change exposure on CapCut. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do it step by step. First, open CapCut. Now once you open it, tap on edit and you will see many projects you have just edited. Just choose the project you want to edit, or you can also create a new project by tapping on new project. For now, let me just edit my current project. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, tap on the video clip of which you want to change the exposure. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, many options will pop up at the bottom right here. Scroll through it until you see adjust. As you can see, adjust is right here. Tap on adjust. Now from here you can adjust the exposure. Tap on brightness and just decrease the brightness, and that's it. You can also adjust it like this. You can adjust its contrast just like this. Your video clip will look more stunning and appealing. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.